Hello guys, this is me again from World of Warships, but usually I play the USS Nicholas, but this time we're doing an aircraft carrier, boys. So let's go into battle. Oh, that was a quick load. That was a quick load right there. As you can see, this is us right here, the aircraft carrier. So, let's start battle. This is us, the aircraft carrier. I know it looks weird with no pilot, with no of those. Oh, the weather effects just complete me. Yo, okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's give them a hard time.
Okay, let's launch some planes right here. Launch some torpedo bombers. Okay. Launching torpedo bombers. Okay. We'll just go find our enemies, okay? Well, I'm detected. By who?
Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
Those are... I can tell.
Sighted on the horizon.
Oh, there's an enemy there. Oh, more enemies. Yeah, there's tons of them. And now, we're gonna be launching
All
torpedoes.
stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Engaging enemy.
Let's see if our torpedoes hit. Let's just still see if the torpedoes hit. Oh, the torpedoes missed. Okay, launch a new aircraft for torpedoes. Okay, there's enemy ships right over there, so we're gonna head over there, boys. Okay, we got our big group forming. We got 4 plane groups flying across. We're gonna head for that battleship in front of us, right next to that rock of the mountain. So, yeah, let's go. Head for him. Oh, they're taking a lot. That ship right there just took a lot of damage against that. Why don't we head for that ship right there that has no damage at all instead? Because that one just crashed right there. So why don't we just head for this?
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Oh, wait. Those, we're hit. One of the planes are hit. But, so, I'm detected.
That was a great battle.
I'm detected by someone. Okay. Just find out who. Okay. Okay, we know that boy that's losing damage is gonna sink right there. Oh wait, this guy's an aircraft carrier, I believe. This guy's an aircraft carrier, I believe.
Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
Yes, it is. That's an aircraft carrier. We must make this shot, okay? We must make this, okay? Okay. We're gonna head towards him, guys. Our 4 group of planes while he's taking damage. We're definitely gonna be able to fire at him. Okay, look at the planes. Oh, our planes are getting hit. Planes were shot down. Where'd the destroyer go?
All stations, proceed to capture that area.
Where did the Okay, just whatever. That somehow just. Let's see what this plane is right here. Oh, I guess these are rockets. Oh, these are gonna be really useful to me. Let's do this, boys. This is a big group right here. A group of 6. Okay, let's go. Head for that destroyer right there. We're going, boys. Oh, they detected us. They must be getting ready to fire. Oh, yes, they are firing at us.
Attention, reporting the target position.
We missed.
Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
We completely missed. Go, we need to turn around and head for that guy. No, we just lost another plane right there.
Approaching target.
Just lost. Hit him. No! Whatever. Okay, we need to win this, okay? That's why we are going with this. We're going to be launching as many planes as possible, as we can. And try and get those enemy ships. That's our best chance of survival. That's our best chance of survival. Okay? Oh, this island right here is damaged. It's completely burnt down. Planes must have bombed it. Let's go! What? Are you serious? Oh, this is my last point. This is my last point right here. We need to hit him, boys. We need it. No! Why? Why do I have to experience this? Oh my god. This is their last aircraft. That's the last ship. So we need to destroy it, okay? We destroy it, we win, okay? It says I'm detected, but...
Our victory is in sight.
Yeah, our victory is in sight, right there. It just said our victory is in sight, okay? So that's really good, because this is the last destroyer.
Nice work.
And, oh, they're open firing at us. Open firing. I believe this is the moment where we bomb them. Yes! Victory! Yes! 1, 2, 1, 2, yes! Hey guys, see you soon. Goodbye.